I'm Mela, founding partner with Onyx Real Estate, and we're hosting an educational home sellers workshop. If you're thinking of selling your home in the next 12 months, then you need to attend one of our home sellers workshops where you will learn how to net upwards of $60,000 or more on the sale of your home. You're going to learn how to use buyer psychology in your favor to create a negotiating advantage, the truth about staging so you can net more money, and what home improvements you should do, but also which ones you should not do in order to get the greatest return on your dollar. Let's face it, the traditional way of selling a home is completely broken. So we're going to give you a point-by-point system that works in this market. Tickets are free while they last, so call 916-238-3500 to reserve your seat today.